Qualtek Electronics offers a large selection of North American and international power cords, both being available with a wide range of plugs, connectors, cordage, and colors. These power cords have been designed to comply with North American and international safety agency regulations to ensure safe and reliable products. These power cords are available in various voltage ratings, conductor insulation types, cable jackets, conductor constructions, as well as many other options. Additionally, these power cords come in a variety of colors, lengths, and types of shielding. A full range of hospital-grade certified power cords is also available. Options include connectors that are colored black or gray, or are clear with a blue tint. Connectors are available in either right angle or straight, or bare wires are also available on one end. Custom configurations and strain reliefs are available upon request.